notes through WhatsApp. Did you copy those notes?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
You, you copied?
Yes.
You
Yes,
draw
ma'am.
that figure showing numbers, different integers, rational numbers, classification of numbers. Did you draw that figure in your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Shankari Anu, what about you? Did you draw it? Shankari Anu, Shivanya, did you draw? Evelyn and Shivanya,
Ma'am.
did you draw the figure that I sent to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Classification. Okay. So we are moving. So last class we discussed about the closure property of integers and whole numbers and rational numbers. Did we begin commutative property?
Ma'am.
Did
Ma'am,
we
can
start?
you
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain the closure property once again?
Okay, sure. You are not there last day?
Yes, ma'am. Some connection problem was there.
Okay, no problem. For proving closure property, only the thing you have to do that you took two numbers and okay, for getting finding the closure property, you took any two numbers. Okay, here we are dealing the property of rational numbers. Take any two rational number. Then do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on those numbers. If the answer also is a rational number, then that operation is closed. That operation is closed. That is, see the addition of rational numbers. We took 2 by 3 and 5 by 4. 2 by 3 and 5 by 4, the answer is 23 by 12. 2 by 3 is a rational number, 5 by 4 another rational number, answer 23 by 12 also rational number. So by adding two rational numbers, we got the answer another rational number. So we can say that rational numbers are closed under addition. Got Shivanya? Addition you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will take subtraction. We are taking two numbers, negative 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. Negative 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. And we subtract those two numbers, negative 5 by 7 minus 2 by 3. The answer is negative 29 divided by 21. Negative 5 by 7 a rational number and negative 2 by 3 a rational number, and the answer negative 29 by 21 is also a rational number. So we can say that the rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Closed under subtraction. Got it? Okay. Now we will check multiplication. Negative 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. Negative 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are rational numbers. On multiplying those two rational numbers, we are getting another rational number, negative 8 by 15. That also a rational number. Okay. So by applying the operation, we are getting another rational number. For two rational numbers, we are applying addition, subtraction, multiplication. In these three cases, we are getting another rational numbers. So we can say that again, it is closed under multiplication is closed, or rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Okay, now we will check division. Division 8 by 0. 8 is a rational number. 0 is also a rational number. 0 can be written 0 by 4. 0 is a rational number. But 8 by 0 cannot be divided. It is not yet defined. So we cannot say that rational numbers are closed. Rational numbers are not closed under division. Only because of the 0. All other numbers, for all other numbers, rational numbers are closed under division. But only because of the 0. Division by 0 is not possible or is not defined. Hence, rational numbers are not closed under division. Okay, Shivanya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so only for division, rational numbers are not closed. And for addition, subtraction, and multiplication, rational numbers are closed. Shall I move to the next topic? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will move to the commutativity of whole numbers. Commutative you have studied last year. 7th standard you studied commutativity of whole numbers and integers. This year we will study commutativity for rational numbers also. Still once we will pass through the commutativity of whole numbers. Commutativity means when we add two numbers in one order, the next order also. If we change the order, the answer will be same. Then we can say that that is commutative. That operation is commutative. When we change the order of the numbers, the answer is same. We can say that that operation is commutative. For example, first we will check addition, whether addition of whole numbers is are commutative or not. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. What about 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3 is also equal to 4 plus 3 equal to what?
7.
7. If we change the order, first we add 3 plus 7. Then we add 4 plus 3. But the answer is both are 7. So if we change the order, the answer will be same. So addition is commutative. See, 2 plus 3 equal to, can you see this? 2 plus 3
Yes, ma'am.
equal to, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. For any whole numbers A and B, A plus B equal to B plus A. A plus B equal to B plus A. Now we will check subtraction. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. And we are changing the order as 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is what?
Minus 3.
Negative 3.
Negative
Okay, are they equal? 5 minus 2 and 2
No,
minus
ma'am.
5, are they
No,
equal?
ma'am.
No, no. So we can say that subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative. Okay, now we will check multiplication. 4 into 5 equal to 20.
20.
Change the order. 5 into 4,
20.
20. So what does it mean? Multiplication
Same.
is
It is commutative.
commutative. Good. Multiplication is commutative. Now we will check division. Right. Now we will check division. Okay. 6 by 3. 1 second. Going. 6 by 3 equal to what? 6 by 3.
3.
1 second.
20.
Please wait. 1 second. 1 second. whole numbers. Okay. Commutative for whole numbers. So, okay, 6 by 3. 6 by 3 equal to what? I think
2.
6 by 3 equal to 2.
2.
Okay, 6 by 3 equal to 2. What about 3 by 6? 3 by 6 is
Negative 2.
negative. 3 by 6 is? Hmm? 3 by 6 is? Alan? Alan or Jeevan? 3 by 6 is what? Alan and Jeevan. 3 by 6 equal to? Michelle? 3 by 6 is? It is equal to what? We can cancel 3 here. How many times?
5.
2 times. 2 times. So it is 1 by 2. 6 by 3 is 2.
1 by
By
2.
6 is 1 by 2. Are they equal?
No.
No, they are not equal. So we can say that division is not commutative. So for whole numbers, only addition and multiplication. Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain everything in my volume? And
Okay. Listen. I am going to explain once again. Addition is 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. When we add two whole numbers in two different order, we change the order, you are getting the same answer. So we can say that addition is commutative. And if we change the order in subtraction, the answers are different. For example, 5 minus 2 equal to 3, 2 minus 5 equal to negative 3. If we changing the order, the answer become different. Ashmit, understood? 5 minus 2 equal to 3, but 2 minus 5 equal to negative 3. So as we changing the order, answer also changing. So subtraction is not commutative. And 4 into 5 equal to 20, 5 into 4 also equal to 20. When we change the order, answer is not changing. So multiplication is not commutative. And division, 6 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 6. 6 by 3 is 2, but 3 by 6 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So division is not commutative. Understood all of you? Shall I
yes.
move to the next?
Yes.
Now, commutativity for integer. Same way we can prove, like our whole numbers, we can prove it for integers. First, we have the same example. Negative 5 by 3 equal to 3 plus negative 5, both are equal. When we change the order for addition, the answer is not changing. Negative 5 by 3 equal to negative 2. 3 plus negative 5 also equal to negative 2. When we change the order, answer is not changing. So addition is commutative. Okay. Now
Yes.
subtraction. Subtraction is 5 minus negative 3. 5 minus negative 3 is negative become positive. 5
Positive.
plus 3 equal to 8.
8.
Now negative 3 minus 5 is negative
Negative
8.
8.
Negative 8. They are not equal. So subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative. Understood, Alina Varghese and Evelyn?
Yes, ma'am.
Alna John, Alina Varghese and Evelyn. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will check multiplication. 4 into negative 5 is negative 20. Negative 5 into 4 also negative 20. We are changing the order, but the answer does not changes. The multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative. And the same example we can use. 6 by 3 not equal to 3 by 6. Same example we can use. When we change the order, the answer also changing. So division is not commutative. So for integers, which are commutative? Addition and which are commutative?
Multiplication.
And yes, addition and
Multiplication.
multiplication. Addition and multiplication are commutative. Subtraction and division are not commutative.
Are not
Adnan,
commutative.
Adnan got?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now commutativity for rational numbers also, that's not seen here. Okay, anyway, we will check commutativity for rational numbers. Commutativity for, that slide is not seen. Commutativity for rational numbers. Rational numbers. For proving this, you need to know the addition of rational numbers. Last year you studied thoroughly on addition of rational numbers, isn't it? Okay, I will put some questions. Commutativity, we are going to find. What addition first?
Ma'am, there's one more thing, please.
Addition. What is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 by 6, 5 by 6. And 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to what? That also 2 plus 3 by 6. That also 5 by 6. So what can we say addition is? For rational numbers, addition is?
Constant or commutativity?
Addition is commutative. Addition is commutative. Addition is commutative. Now we will check subtraction.
Ma'am, to show that one.
Yes. Subtraction. Okay.
Then
We
these
will
is
find 1 by 2
commutative
minus
for
1 by 3.
fingers.
1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, we can write 3 minus 2 by 6. It is equal to 1 by 6. Now 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 we will do. It is equal to 2 minus 3 divided by 6. Negative 1 by 6. Good.
So it is not
So we
commutative.
will say that subtraction is not commutative.
Commutative.
Yes. Subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative. Now we will check multiplication. Multiplication. 1 by
It will
2
be commutative.
into 1 by 3. It is 1 by 6.
1 by 6.
1 by 3 into 1 by 2 what? That
1 by-
also
1
1
by
by
6.
6.
It is
So we can say
commutative.
yes, multiplication is commutative.
Can I show that table one time?
Hmm?
Commutativity of integers.
Hmm? Yes? Okay.
Can you show that one more?
Yes? Yes? Abhinav, what did you say? I didn't hear. Abhinav, did you say anything?
Just one more.
Which one? This one. Rational numbers,
Yes, ma'am.
commutativity.
No,
Uh,
theory of integers.
Now is asking for commutative of integers.
Commutativity for integers. Okay, I will show you commutativity for integers. Here it is. Okay. Commutativity for integers. See, negative 5 plus 3. Order we are changing. 3 plus negative 5. Answer is negative 2. Both the cases, answer is negative 2. When we change the order, answer is not changing. So we can say that addition is commutative. Got? Okay, now take subtraction. 5 and negative 3. We are subtracting. 5 minus negative 3 is 8, positive 8. But negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8. When we change the order, answer also changing. So it is not commutative. Multiplication 4 into negative 5 equal to negative 20. Negative 5 into 4 also negative 20. So when we change the order, it is not changing. Answer is not changing. So multiplication is commutative. Similarly, division 6 by 3 not equal to 3 by 6. So division is not commutative. They are different. Understood, Abhinav? Abhinav, you got it?
Ma'am.
Okay. Now we discussed about the rational numbers multiplication. Now we will do division also. We have to find what's happening when rational numbers are multiplying. Division of rational numbers. Division of rational numbers. That also we will check. Division. 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 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 2. This we will find 1 by 3. Division changes to multiplication. How? We can
1
change
by 3 into 2 by 1.
2 by 1 by changing reciprocal, by applying reciprocal.
Reciprocal.
So this equal to
2 by
2
3.
by 3. 2 by 3. Now we will find 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. So it is
1 by 2 into 3 by
into
1.
3 by 1, correct? So it is 3
3
by
by
2.
1.
When
3 by
order
2.
changes, what happens? Answer also changes. So division is not commutative.
Commutative.
Division is not commutative. For rational numbers, only addition and multiplication is commutative, but subtraction and division are not commutative. Understood, Dion? Dion Krishnaveni Prarthana, understood? Krishnaveni Prarthana, got it? Shall I move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now associativity. We are going to check associativity for whole numbers. Okay. Associativity. For checking associativity, take addition. We will check first. 2 plus 3 in bracket plus 5 equal to what? 2 plus 3 is 5.
5 plus 5.
5 plus 5
10.
is equal to 10. Now 2 plus 3 plus 5.
2 plus
5
plus
bracket.
8. 10.
It is 2 plus 8, that also 10.
10.
So
it is
addition is
associative.
Addition is associative. Understood, all of you? Varda, you understood? Okay. Now subtraction.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Who's
Ma'am,
this? Who's this?
ma'am,
Abhinav?
Midun.
Midun. Okay, Midun, no
Midun.
problem. Midun, okay, we are
Midun,
checking.
Midun.
Okay, Midun, okay, Midun. I will explain once again. We are checking the associativity for whole numbers. So I took 3
Yes.
plus 2 plus 5 in bracket. That is the way associativity we are doing. Okay, we are grouping 2 and the other next we are grouping the other 2. This one equal to what? 3 plus 7 equal to 10. Okay, Midun? 3 plus 2 plus 5 is 7. Understood, Midun? Midun, are you there? Okay, I think he's not. Then again, we will group 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 plus 5. That is 5 plus 5 also equal to 10. So when we change the order, bracket, first we group 2 and 5. Here we group 3 and 2, but the answer is same. So addition is associative. Thomas Chako and Shivanand? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will check subtraction. For that, 3 minus 2 minus 5 equal to what? 3
3
minus 2 minus 5 is
minus 5.
negative 3.
negative 3 and it is equal to 6.
3,
Negative
6.
negative become positive.
Positive.
Okay, so it becomes 6.
6.
Now we will group 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 minus 5. 3 minus 2
minus
is
5.
1.
1.
1 minus 5
minus
1
is
minus 5.
negative 4. Are they equal?
Negative 4.
Are they
No.
equal?
No,
No,
ma'am.
no, no, no.
No. So
So it is
subtraction
not
They are
is not
it's not
associative.
associative.
Subtraction is not associative. Gino and Gopi Krishna understood? Gino and Gopi Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next we will do, we will check multiplication. Multiplication. Okay. 3 into 2 into 4 equal to 3 into 2 is 6.
6.
6 into 4, 24. Now 3 into 2 into 4. That is 3 into 8 equal to 24. So what does it mean? What does it
It
mean?
is associative.
Multiplication is associative. Safa, understood Safa? Tia? Midun, can you hear me now, Midun?
Yes, ma'am.
Midun, did you understood the addition?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Now we will check division. Okay, we will check division. That is 3 minus 3 divided by 2 first. Divided by 4. So it is equal to 3 into 1 by 2. 2's reciprocal is 1 by 2. Divided by 4. So it is equal to 3 by 2 divided by 4. It is equal to 3 by 2 into 4's reciprocal is 1 by 4. So it is 3 by 8.
3 by 8.
Now we will change the bracket. 3 divided by 2 divided by 4. So it is equal to 3 divided by 2 into 1 by 4.
4.
That is 3 divided by 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. We can cancel 2 there. 1 by 2. So it is 3 into reciprocal of 1 by 2 is
2 by
2 by 1.
2 by 1
One.
or 2. So it is 6.
6.
Are they equal?
No.
No,
No.
ma'am.
So division is not
Not
associative.
associative.
Anybody wants to repeat this division is not associative? Understood? If anybody want, I will repeat it.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
division can I explain?
Yes,
division.
yes, good. Okay, in that way you have to ask, because I thought some of you are not follow that. If you ask, I will explain again and again. Okay, no problem. I will explain the division once again. Okay, we will take some other numbers. 3, 4 and 5 we will take. 3 divided by 4 divided by 5. Okay, so 3 divided by, here in bracket, 4 into division, we are changing multiplication by putting reciprocal. It is equal to 3
into
3
4
divided by 4 by
5.
5. It is equal to 3 into this division we will
5
change.
by 4.
5 by 4, correct. So it is 15 by 4.
15 by 4.
Understood all of you? We are
Yes.
changing the division into multiplication by putting reciprocal.
Okay.
Now bracket we will put where 3 divided by 4 in
divided by
bracket,
5.
then divided by 5. Divided by 5. So 3 into 1 by 4. First division we will convert by putting reciprocal. 3 into 1 by 4 divided by 5. That is
3 by 4.
3 by 4 divided by
5. That is 3 by 4 into
4 into
1 by
1 by
5.
5.
Is 3 by
3 by
20.
20.
Are they equal?
No.
No. So division is not Commutative.
Associative.
Associative division is not associative. Only
Associative.
addition and multiplication is associative.
Ma'am,
Uh,
in all the properties, addition and multiplication is only possible.
no, we will show. I will show you. You wait. I will show you.
One
Shweta
thing
VP is in our class.
Huh?
Shweta VP, no? No.
No.
Okay.
9.
9. Okay. Now we will move to the next. Now, associativity for integers. Shall we check? Associativity for integers, the same way. Okay. Integers. Integers, the same way, same examples we can do. Okay, no need to explain. For our what is this? For our whole numbers also we use integers. The same examples we can apply. So addition is associative, multiplication also associative, and subtraction and division is not associative. The same examples we can apply for integers also, because for whole numbers also we use integers. So for integers also those same examples we can use, and we can find that for integers addition and multiplication are associative, subtraction and division are not associative. Okay, now we will move to rational numbers. Yes.
Commutative of rational numbers.
Yes.
Can I show the table on the rational numbers? Rational numbers.
What Abhinav? I can't hear. What did you say? Are you saying something to me?
Numbers.
Hmm? Okay.
Rational numbers.
Associativity for rational numbers. We will check associativity for rational numbers. Okay. Take 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. All are rational.
Commutative.
Yes.
Ma'am is asking for commutative.
Commutative I explained, you know. Commutative we have done. See, these are the commutativity.
But I tried.
Huh?
Good. I forgot the right.
We have done commutativity for integers and commutativity for rational numbers we have done. Now associativity. Okay, shall I move to associativity of rational numbers? Huh? Abhinav, what you are saying? Okay, we are moving to associativity for rational numbers. Okay, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 are in one bracket. So this is equal to 1 by 2 plus, this is 4 plus 3 divided by 12. So it is equal to 1 by 2 plus 7 by 12. Again on adding we will get 12 plus 14 divided by 24, or it is 26 by 24, or we can simplify it as 13 by 12.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
can we do it by 12 also?
That also you can. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. That also we can do. Or otherwise you can simplify the end. Or here, from here itself you can take LCM as 12. So it will be 6 plus 7 by 12. Very good. So we can delete one, reduce one step. 13 by 12. Correct. 13 by 12. Now we will change the order. 1 by
How we got 12?
LCM of 2 and 12. Find the LCM. 2,
6.
1, 6. It is 12. Forgot this finding LCM and all? I will send some problems to you. Otherwise, you cannot be solve these problems in fastly. Okay, I will send some problem last year, some simple problems to you. You have to work out that. Okay, now we will find 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3
Listen notes.
plus 1 by 4. So this equal to 3 plus 2 by 6 plus 1 by 4. So 3 plus 2 is 5 by 6 plus 1 by 4. That is 20.
Ma'am, 12.
No, 12 we will take it. 12 we will take. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So it is 10 plus 3 by 12 is 13
by
by
12.
12. Here it is 13 by 12. Here also it is 13 by 12. So which means what? Addition is associative. Okay. Once again, I will explain the addition, associativity for rational numbers because our time is up. We will do it in the next period. One more period we have today. Okay. So the associativity of rational numbers we will do once again. Don't worry. I think some of you are not
Listen
understood.
notes.
Yes. Anybody asking any doubt? Abhinav?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Listen the notes.
next class can you explain again?
Which one?
Ma'am,
Rational numbers. Which one?
associative of rational numbers.
That we will explain next class. We have one more.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes. Tell
will
me.
you send these slides?
I will send. I will send to you. Like last class, I will send to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.